What we got? Got a little bit of duct work. Let's see if we can get in and out. See if we can get in and out. Yeah. Happy Scrappy back on the scene again. I want to say this is aluminum, but I'm not sure. Either way, we gonna get it. How you good people doing? I'm like out in the middle of nowhere. Saw open top, so decided to go do some investigating. And here we are. Here you are. That's plastic. But I think that's gonna do it for that. See if we can slide these items in the truck. I need to bend this. There we go. Let's flatten that out. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's steel. We'll take it though. Getting back in the groove, you know what I mean? It's Monday. I hope you good people had a good weekend. But it's time to get back to scrapping. A little bit of AC duct work. Good enough. Let's keep it moving. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we got going on in here. Got a little snippet of wire. Throw that back there. Let's get a closer eyeball. Don't know if I checked in with you good people, eBayers, dumpster divers, scrappers, scavengers, extraterrestrials, beings of all kinds. How y'all be? Kind of caught me in the middle of a concentration mode. But got some nice number one. Little snippet right there. Let's just dump it. Okay. Got some vents. Take that. Just stack them up. Just stack them up. We'll toss this. Yeah. We ain't doing too bad. Good start. Beginning of the week. I think that's about it in here. Got a cord right there. Grab my snibbies. Is that coax? Nope, that's number one. Nice little chunk. Nice little chunk. What's going on, chunk? What you got in there? Some floor tile. Aluminum can. Definitely take that. That looks like that's gonna be it for that. Looking good. Let's check the dumpster. Empty. Like it was recently dumped. Don't mind if I do. Got the hot water heater sitting out here for us. So kind. That's so kind of you. Let's get her up here. See, full of water. See a little bit of. I think we're good for now. I do hear a little bit of skadoosh juice in there, but you know. You move over there and make room for this guy right here. Nice. Quick dumpster check. Rubbish. Just pure rubbish. What we got here? A lot of move outs going on. I think these are these metal? Oh, those aren't metal, but these are. Yeah, take that. Very nice. Well, you can see we got to load the trailer back up this week. Finally got it offloaded over the weekend. Had a good amount of steel, so let's see if we can match that or even do better this week. Gonna check this open top out real quick. I think I see a little something in there. Let's see if we can get in the easy way. Shed a little light on things. I got behind there. There's a little piece of aluminum. Here's the truck. Boom. I think we're good. Got some wire. Yeah. Take that. Got a computer monitor, but can't use that. All right, here's some more aluminum. Get in there. Little piece of brass. Little piece of dirty brass. See if we can get the rest of that. Get the rest of that. You know what? We'll clean it up later. All right, got some aluminum. Carpet tacks. Gold carpet tacks. Another piece. And got it. Nothing. Let's see a little more. A few more little snippets. Toss that in there. Make our way to the front. I don't see anything else. All right, let's get out of here. And you get in there. All right, sweet. Let's keep it moving. Dumpster divers. I see you over here, metal frame, TV stand. Yeah, mostly metal. Mostly metal. Slide you right there. Hello, mirror. We don't want you, but we see something that we might can use. You know, that's got a lot of glass on it. Let's see. Let me see. Let me get slick with it. Yep, that worked. Wow, that one didn't want to give. That one was a tough one. Christmas tree. Yeah, we're gonna take the Christmas tree. Y'all throwing out Christmas trees already? Oh man. That tree is full of paint. Got paint all over us. We're gonna have to clean up. No, I'm gonna leave the rest of that. And let's see if I can break down this baby carriage. Alright, I'll take that too. And I got paint all over me. So let's get cleaned up. Well, we got cleaned up as best we could. Still got a ton smeared all over my arm, but it's all good. Little paint's not gonna stop the show, ladies and gentlemen. What we got here? Scooter. Electric scooter too. Most definitely. Got a nice little pile up in here. A lot of furniture, TVs, go to big screen TVs. Gotta make room for the new ones. Yep, but I don't see much in here, so let's move it along. Ooh, what we got? What we got? Oh, that's wood. They fooled me. Probably steel. Probably aluminum, maybe. Yeah, I think all of those are some wood poles in there. I'll take the cord though. That didn't work out so good. All right, that'll do. You can get in there. Oh, it was you that came out, huh? You don't want to be with the rest of them. He tried to escape. All good. Shut up, open top up. All right, let's get out of here. What we got? Open top. I see something there. Is that a PC? That looks like a PC, and I'm not sure how low I'm gonna sink. All right, we didn't sink too far. We got that. What else we got in here? There's a little shelving rack. I'll take that. Oh, I see a vacuum. Does it have the cord? Yes, it does. That works for me. Little snippies. Take that cord. Throw that in there. I can see something else hiding under there. Yep. Is this a fan? Yeah, that's a fan. Take that. Another little entertainment. Oh man, that's under a lot of stuff. Oh, we might can get it. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was. Take that. Some mattresses. I don't see anything under there. Then again, I'm trying not to sink. Let's see if we can get back here. Okay, got some patio chairs. Those are metal. Whew. All right, let's see if we can get out of here. Good enough for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right. Load this stuff up. See if we can flatten you out a little bit. I think we gotta go up first. There we go. That's gonna have to do. I'll be able to squeeze in. Yeah, I don't think that's going anywhere. It's the fan, my light's getting dim. I had to get a fresh light, but let's make way this way. Well, what do we have here? We got the old fridge, and we got a bed frame. Does that fold? Probably does not fold. But you know what? We'll make it work. Let's work on this refrigerator real quick. Let's see if there's anything inside. Nope, empty for the most part. Does it have wheels? So we can roll it a little bit. Yes, it does. All right. Let's see. We had to make some space. base. Gonna go with the old upside down, you turn them inside out. All right, get that in. I'm gonna lift. See, get it over. Yes, we are in business, and we still got a little room under there. Squeeze some stuff. Okay, not quite. Not quite. I thought I had enough. Gonna have to lift it up a little more. There we go. All right, we're good. Just gotta fix this. Upside down, you're turning me. How you doing? Hello, neighbor. Don't ask my neighbor. Ooh. I guess it'll be okay. Don't be afraid. All right, let's go see if we can get this bed frame broken down to a couple of pieces. Star key. I don't think I have a star key. And they pulled the old trickaroonie. Did they pull the old trickaroonie? What do I have? I think we are in business. What size? A little bigger, I think. I think if we take these middle screws out, we can break this in half. Come on now, don't script me. You know, maybe just need to do one side. This side out. Let's see. All right, that screw is stripped, not script, stripped. Just want to bend it in half. Okay. love. That's not gonna work. Well, that kind of worked. Just trying to get some leverage. So maybe bend it in half. There we go. I'll take that. I will take that. Even better. Pieces. Like this, like the Reese's Pieces. Where to put it? See if we can slide it. Sweet. That worked out good. Can't complain. That worked out pretty good. The rest of our little bits and pieces. Quick dumpster check. Aluminum can. Nope. Check the load. Something to keep that down. There we go. It should hold you in place. Whew! Making us work for it, but it's all good. Guess what? They left us another water heater. Any juice in there? Maybe a little bit. You think we'll be able to squeeze it on the truck? We got quite a bit up there. See if I can stand this refrigerator up. Right. And we might be in business. Pending that it will stand up. Oh, behave. I'm blocking somebody. Hopefully they don't come out. All right. So I think the best bet is to turn the refrigerator to where the doors won't come open. So we're gonna give it the old quick spinneroo. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, let's see what happens. Hey. All right. We're in business. We are in business. Get our little extra tidbits. Don't stay up there. Okay, good. Good. Just gonna fit on this side. Oh, it isn't. Don't worry, just put it on the other one. Not gonna fit there either. There we go. Love me, say that you love me, pull me home. All right, it should be good. And we got a little bit of, try to attack me. Take it easy. Take it easy. I think we're good. Let's go. Well, would you look at that? A table frame. I don't know if you can see it. My light is kind of tricky. We're gonna grab it, and I see the other piece down here. Come on. Oh man. Stuck like Chuck. But we got it. Alright. Let's find a spot for you, sir. I think you'll stay right there. And let's see where your twin brother is going to go. See if we can. Will you stay? I think he will stay, sir. My good sir. All right, let's keep going. Yep. Got an open top and they got the back door open. We're gonna go in and take a look. Oh, hello, toilet. Let me see. We got a electric meter box. A couple of cans we can get out of here. But not much going on because it looks like they recently dumped it and just started back to fill it up. So we're gonna take these little snippies. It's got a cord on it, nice thick cord and some wire in there. Let's go. Yeah, so we're gonna call it right there. We didn't do too bad this evening. We pretty much got packed out. And I managed to get paint all over me, but as you can see, I was able to get a lot of it off. Got all over the phone, my harness, everything. So, you just gotta be careful out here. You never know what's in these dumpsters and open tops and these roll-off cans. People put any and everything that you can imagine in them. So, you know, while you're out here dumpster diving and scrapping, you know, please be careful. Wear some personal protective equipment, you know, some gloves. Always wear steel toe boots or shoes with the shank insole, where if you step on nails, it won't go through your insole. So yeah, you gotta protect yourself out here. Wear safety glasses if need be, you know, because stuff is splashing, you know, like these water heaters, you know, they still have water and juice in them and everything. So, you know, just gotta be safe out here, you know. But, you know, it was all fun. I had a good time. I appreciate you good people joining me. Dumpster divers, scrappers, scavengers, eBayers, beings of all kind, extraterrestrials, beings that's known and unknown. You know the script. You know how I do. I try to shout out to everybody and honor and respect all living things. Shout out to the scrap gods. Shout out to my friends, family, loved ones, and all of them. But yeah, I had a good time with y'all, and I hope y'all had a good time with me. Like always, hit that like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you're notified when I upload more videos. I can't think right now, but we're gonna work it out. So yeah, all kinds of stuff out here in these cans, like I said. So be careful, be safe, protect yourself at all times. I'm happy scrapping to y'all. See you in the next video. Peace and love.